Hey, Carly, I wanted to go over my June my June marketing. Um, so as always, I refresh this. I put it into my marketing company, Savoy Fitness. I've kind of gotten back to that. It asked me the correct questions that I need to know to make things work. So I wanted to blow this up and go through it and talk about it as, you would probably view this later. So I'm gonna go March. June. Okay, so North location only. Okay, the goal is to gross 99K. So more at this location, it's more like 25K. I'm combining both. Um, I want to lose less than 20 clients due to COVID. I want 33 new clients and I want to hire a full-time coach. Those are my goals. That's what I'm trying to do. That has been given to me from my Fitness Revolution mastermind coaches. Gross 99K, less than 20, 33 new clients, hire a new coach. The things that I want to focus on that I want to get out of my marketing this month, out of our teamwork. Number one, I want to remind current clients and active clients about our Mr. Clean protocol. We got a Mr. Clean protocol. I will outline that in a different email, and basically clients need to know that the gym is clean. Secondly, get more clients, make up for the deficit of last month. That kind of goes back to the new CO client, 33 clients. Um, this one's really important. And I think a big piece of that is just highlighting our services, posting at the right times, stuff that we're kind of already doing. But this one's a big one. I'm going to kind of chip in to help with that. Full adherence to 2 posts a day. Again, I'm always big on 2 posts a day, besides Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Our competitors are doing it. And I think I do understand that COVID happened and it's a lack of me getting content to you. So I really want to hit that on the head. 2 posts a day, Monday through Thursday, 1 post on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Reintroduce people to our 3 kick-ass core offerings using positioning statements. And then I want to get to using, more organic pictures. I mean, and I got to get those taken. I've actually bought a new camera so I can do this. Just more organic pictures of the clients. You know, putting the top dog and the Savoy Fitness logo on the bottom right is okay. That works. But just a little more. I don't want our page to look super flyery, but I'm not saying that you're doing a negative job. But just some more organic pictures is my goal. Um, how many events do we run? We're running 4 events this month. Bring a friend. Bring a friend day, Wednesday, June 10th. Carly, whenever I make these dates in here, kind of double check. I kind of triple check myself, but sometimes I miss. But uh, like when I say double check the dates, I might put Wednesday, June 10th, but the 10th is a Tuesday. So then the flyer doesn't look right because I've messed up. But bring a friend day. And you can go to format and wrap this. Please note for the with this flyer, bring a friend day due to COVID. Please make a note for them to arrive early. Um, can I put that in the caption because I just don't want somebody just walking in not washing their hands or sanitizing. So that's a big issue. So just make sure they arrive early. I mean the flyer, you know how to handle that. Free sports performance. I like the flyer you did. That little collage. I really like that. There's the date. June 4th, 5:30 for the north, 6:30 for the south. Um, again, just making sure that people arrive early to wash their hands. Which I thought was cool. Carly, with this day, like I kind of made a template for you. Like if the day is on June the 4th, and I chose to put it at the beginning of the month, like 14 days before we should post the flyer, 3 to 4 days we should post the video. And what does that video look like? I'm in here and like this is a good north location video, right? So the north location video is set for you. This is a flyer, as in essence. It actually generates more views than a flyer does. So this can post at the north location. This can post at the south location, or this can post at the south location. So, I mean, obviously, you know the difference. Like I told you, when you see that purple wall and that gold, that's north. This is north. When you see, I guess the opposite, just know that it's the other location. So, and you can ask me, I probably did a bad job of clarifying that. But basically, yeah, like I'm posting a flyer 14 days before. It could be 10, it could be 12, it could be 9. I'm just giving you a template. You can do whatever you want. And then, you know, your second attempt of posting the flyer is the video. Hey guys, uh, you know, look at our athletes riding on the bike. By the way, we have a free sports performance class on this day. Make sure you bring them. It's free. Make sure the kids arrive early to wash their hands, so on and so forth. So, you know, this is kind of like my super template for like almost anything we have. So I just want you to know that, you know, if we can get videos of it. Father's Day boot camp. It's going to be regular boot camp day at 9 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap all these. Format wrap. I'm just gonna wrap them all. But yeah, Father's Day boot camp. I put a caption here. It's at 9 a.m. both locations. Yep. Please remind them to arrive early. Free outdoor boot camp at the bridge. Yo, I'm doing this 2 Sundays in a row. 2 times, the 6th and the 13th at 1. Please let them know they can bring a friend. If it's raining, it will be canceled. Carly, can you make me a flyer? When you make this flyer, and you've already had it, so we can just change the date on the one that I just did, which was very successful, by the way. Thank you. Can you please make a version of it that says canceled? Because if it's raining, I'm just going to post it manually. I'll post it like that morning at 9 a.m. It just says canceled due to rain. So just heads up for that. There's any videos that could be used to promote. I gave you a video here. This is a video of them working out right here. Obviously, you can see that they're outside. Image 1857. So that will help you with that. That is, again, a flyer. So you have your outdoor flyer. Then this video counts as another marketing piece that's a little more interactive and gains more traction than a flyer. Sweat Angels. Carly, I won't know that. I mean, basically, we got to go to Facebook, Sweat Angels, the Sweat Angels Facebook page, and pull it from there. So that's that. So I don't have any of those details yet. I can't get that to the 25th, as I noted. Programming emphasis, we talked about that. With the boot camp, you know, regular position statement here, but some things that, hey guys, we, you know, excited to have you back for our boot camp class. We're gonna eliminate partner WODs, eliminate the sharing of equipment. And factoring in the rest of the times and lighter loads. So those are kind of the pieces that I have there. So yeah. Any events? Yo, so this one is important. Are there any events that we need to start marketing early for? I said the Mr. Clean protocol. I'll get that to you in another email. Free sports performance is big. And then programming emphasis for CrossFit, very important. I need clients to know that they're participating in the rebuild program. We talked about that. Coach Evany is, so important things about staff. Coach Evany has graduated. I put Carly 10. That is Evany. She's a boot camp coach. I gave you a caption. I gave you an image. The other thing that I'm gonna put number 6 for my marketing goals. I need people to know that sports performance lives here. I really want people to know that sports performance is here. The kids haven't been working out, and when you look at our page, I need to know that that works. So again, it's really heavily on the positioning statements. So Carly, that is the tie-in for the north location. Very similar to the south, but I will still do a separate video because it is a separate location. But yeah, hopefully that helps.